Now the rule for integration by parts. Integration u v dx can be written as u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus so on, where v1 is integration v dx and v2 is integration v1 dx, and u dash is du dx and u double dash is du dash dx, and so on. Now let's look at some application. So integration x cube sine 2x dx. We will take x cube as u and this as v, because when we will take the derivative of x cube, it will vanish in further steps, right? So first, we have integration u v dx is u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. So u v1, that means x cube v1, that is integration of sine 2x. Integration of sine 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2, right? Then we have the minus sign, minus u dash v2. U dash means derivative of x cube, that is it will be 3x square, and we have then u dash v2. v2 means integration of v1, that means we have to take the integration of this, so it will be cos 2x. Integration of cos 2x is sine 2x, and we have already minus and we have 2, so it will be 4, plus in the next step we have plus u double dash v3. U double dash means du dash dx, so du dash x 3x square, so the derivative of 3x square will be 6x, and then we have the integration of this, so it will be cos 2x, negative cos 2x, so negative negative positive, and it will be 8. Next we have minus and derivative of this, so it will be 6, and it will be sine 2x by 16. So we will get this. Now again, if we take x square e to the power minus 2x dx, for this let's take x square as u and this as v. So first term is u v1, that is x square. v1 means integration of e to the power minus 2x, so it will be minus of e to the power minus 2x by 2. This negative is here, so in the next step minus in derivative of x square is 2x, and again minus 2x, so it will be 4 and it will be positive, plus 2 negative e to the power minus 2x by 8. So this way we can do the integration by parts.